मैम मैम
Yes.
ম্যাম আপনার ম্যাথ ক্লাসটাই আমার তো জয়েন হয়েছিলাম, আমার নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেমের জন্য আমি লেফট হয়ে গেলাম। প্লিজ ম্যাম প্রেজেন্ট করে দেবেন।
Okay, I will see.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
Okay.
গুড আফটারনুন ম্যাম।
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we will start with previous to chapter. That chapter we will just extra questions we will do later. Okay, so this chapter we will just start with the we will start housing and clothing. This is the last chapter of your essay exam. Essay exam page 49. Okay, page 49. Why Soel you raised your hand? Why Soel you have raised your hand?
ম্যাম ম্যাম
Yes, Soel. Go ahead.
ম্যাম 6 chapter completed.
Sixth chapter is not there in the syllabus. Check your syllabus. Check your syllabus, everyone. I'm also checking. Just wait for a while. I don't think that sixth chapter is there. Chapter 6 is not there. Chapter 6 is there in the latter examination. I think so. I have not checked the your syllabus is chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 for your essay 1 examination. Essay 1 examination, essay 1 examination means the next examination, your chapter 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. This is your syllabus. Okay. Okay. So here first housing and clothing. We need to just read first. Now for this chapter, basic few things we have to understand that we are just living in the house according to our weather. Okay, like in the country where snowfall is there, their home you will see like this pattern. Their homes are made. Why in this pattern? So that snow can easily just slip from their roof. But we are living in this pattern of house right now. Why? Because it's there. Our weather is very much warm, and snow is never we have seen in my life. So normally sometimes rainfall is there. So according to the weather, we are just living in the house, right? So we all need a house to protect ourselves from bad weather conditions, harmful animals and enemies. We feel happy and safe in our house. In the cities, people live in pakka houses. Pakka houses means the houses made by brick, cement. Mostly nowadays we have seen that all the houses are houses are we are making like that in the brick, cement and steel. Okay, steel means in the structure they are making by the steel. After that they have just arranged the bricks. Means you have heard the word pillar dite hobe badite. That means what? The structure first they are making, and after that they are just making some making the house. Okay, so afterwards after that we are just please mark this. I'm just going to the next page. So on the next page you can see that in the villages how the people are there. In the villages, people lives in kacha houses. Kacha houses means those houses are made by mud, straw, and sticks. Sticks means mostly some branches of some trees or something like that. They are just calling it as sticks. They are neither strong or nor long lasting. But in the cold places, people live in igloos made of ice blocks. People who live here called Eskimos. Okay, mostly in the Siberia or in those sites, we are going to see that we will see that the people are just we are calling them Eskimos. Okay, their houses are built by ice. Now you are going to tell me that, ma'am, there is much cold, then why they are making their house with the ice? Why? You know, ice is a insulator. Now insulator means what? Insulator means that can't insulator means যেটা তাপকে বহন করতে পারে না. That means what? In the cold region there is much cold. Okay, so people need to protect them from that cold temperature, right? So while they are just staying inside the igloo, the cold temperature will not cross the wall of ice very easily, so they will be very warmed over there. Okay, and some places where it rains a lot, people lives in the houses made on the wooden poles called stilt houses. Okay, nowadays we can see these stilt houses in a picture of some islands, right? Islands also, they are making their hotels like that also, very luxurious hotel, Maldives and all. Now this is houseboat. Houseboat, we can also see houseboat also, we can see it in the Kerala, in our country, in the Kerala, in the Jammu Kashmir, in the Dal Lake. We are able to see the houseboat. People who roam around from place to place are called nomads. They live in tents and caravan. Tent means this and caravan means car. Okay, previously we called them as tribe also. Okay, they don't have particular house or something like that, and they don't have any particular occupation also. Their occupation is mainly on the, what can I say, they are just grazing their cattle, and they are just doing some uh, means taking care of their children by just doing some work in the field or something like that. So these are different type of people. Some houses are made of brick, stones, wood, cement, and steel. Okay, brick house you can see, stone house we are able to see in the mountain region. Wooden house, I told you, where the snowfalls are very common, we can see the wooden house. Okay, and cement and steel house, the buildings, okay, are mostly the cement and steel house. The walls of the houses are made of bricks, cement, tiles, marbles, then get painted. We are just painting our walls according to our need. Nowadays, many types of, yes, Ruksar and Nishat. Unmute, please. Unmute, please. Why you raised your hand? Page number is 50, 5050. Science boy. Ruksar and Nisat, you are sisters. Okay, they have just means muted themselves. Okay, no problem. So also we can see that doors and windows are made of wood, glass, or metal. Okay, everyone check your window. My window is made of glass and steel. Check your home's window, everyone, right now. So either it's by glass or steel, either it's by wood or glass or something, or three of them. Okay, ceilings are made of thermocol, wood or plaster of Paris. We have listened the word like false ceiling. False ceiling means, yes, Rito Prabhu, what is the problem? Rito Prabhu, unmute please.
Ma'am, my window also.
Okay, no problem. Okay. No need to explain it. Everyone sees window is making by different, either three of the material they have used or one of the two of the materials at least we need to use. Okay, because we are living in India, right? In the outside country, you will see that there is no concept of grill or something barrier in the window. Their windows are open, very much open. Now in our country, why we need to use grill? Because we are living in a very nice country, so people, while we will not be there in our home, people can easily enter. We will not let the other people, that means the thieves and all, we will not let them enter. So that is why we need to use the grill. Okay, if you are not going to use the grill, people will easily break the glass and they can enter in our house and they can steal everything and they will go out. Okay, now floors are made of cement marble tiles. So cement marble tiles, wood, also sometimes stones also. Okay, that stone means various kinds of work is there. Previously we have learned, I think you have listened, and mosaic floor means there are various kinds of stones they have used, colorful, to just make their floor. Now a good house should always be clean and germ free. Nowadays this is very much mandatory for the COVID. I think you are all are understanding these things. A good house always be clean and germ free. A good house should have windows and doors to enter the sunlight and fresh air in the house. Sunlight makes our house germs free. This is a normal sanitization process. Okay, the proper ventilation to let the smoke out of the kitchen. Otherwise, suppose my mother or our mother just cook chicken or fish, that smell will be stick to our house, and that after sometimes it will be a very bad smell. Okay, there should be wire mesh and netting on the windows. Mesh and netting is for the stray animals and the mosquitoes. Stray animals means cats and dogs, are also can enter in our house, so that we need to just we need to use those things in our house, right? Next is here you can see that house should also have a proper drainage system to carry the dirty water out. A house should have a strong locking system to keep it safe and secure. Okay, now cleanliness of a house, we should always keep our house neat and clean. The floor should be properly swept and mopped with a very clean water daily. The platforms of the sink of the kitchen should be also be washed. The bathrooms and the wash basins are washed with disinfectants to kill the germ. All the interiors should be dusted and cleaned by vacuum cleaner. If the vacuum cleaner is not available, it's okay, fine. There are many kinds of means natural cleaners are also there. Okay, suppose I'm just giving you some suggestions. Suppose neem leaves we are using to eat. Okay, if we are going to buy, or we are just going to take a huge amount of neem leaves and just boil it in the water, we can just use that water to disinfect our floors, walls and all. Neem leaves are very much effective. Okay, no, it's so much effective. If you are going to use this trick back at your home, you will see the mosquitoes will also come less, because the smell of the neem. Okay, The garbage should be thrown only in the garbage bins, but they should be kept covered. Here, this is the life lesson. Okay, I am seeing many a times, means some mature person, like your parents, our parents, they are having no sense, eating chips, and they are just throwing it in the road only. You are also doing the same things, but from today onwards you need to promise me one thing, that yes ma'am, from tomorrow onwards we will not throw any kind of garbage in our road or anywhere. We will just throw it in the garbage only, means where we should put our garbage. Okay, just show me a thumbs up, all of you. All of you show me the thumbs ups. Okay, Amar just gave me this kind of things. And cleanliness of the house, this is not your mother's work only. Okay, suppose you are just sitting on a table, you are having the book rack back at your home, so that part at least you can keep clear. Weekly, one day, just Saturday is your holiday after giving the class test, you can do one thing. You can take a piece of clothes and you can just give some sanitizer is very much easily available nowadays. Just spray some sanitizer, just clean your desk, clean your everything, just swipe out all the dirty things from there, throw everything, make it neat and clean, and just again you will be feeling good. This should be your habit. Okay, cleanliness should be your habit from your childhood. Keep yourself organized. How you will keep yourself organized? By taking care of yourself. How we can take care? Just use your bathroom properly, like take bath, do your urination, potty, and whatever regularly. Wear always washed clothes. Keep your desk, books, everything neat, organized and dust free. Okay, because in the COVID time of COVID, we need to maintain that, right? Not only your house, you need to also keep yourself very much clean and clear, right? Otherwise our dress also can carry the germs. Yes, Nadim, any problem? Unmute please. Nadim, please unmute. Okay, she's, I think. Next year we
Yes, ma'am.
will just, yes Nadim, you want to say anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next year we will go to learn from clothes and fibers. Now clothes, various types of clothes we are wearing. We are having also some pairs of clothes which are very expensive. We are used to wear them in the occasion only. Okay, or we are having some clothes which we are using for the regular purpose. We are having some clothes, those are very glossy clothes, those are very, what can I say, subtle in the style. So why these all types of clothes are available? Because human being, means we all human have to maintain a particular temperature in all type of weather. If it is very much warm weather, we need to wear very light clothes, like which are made by cotton, so that we will not sweat a lot. Okay, or if we are just going to sweat, our clothes are stained, cold clothes are going to just take that sweat from our body, and we will feel good. In the winter we need to wear sweater. Why? Because sweaters are just helping us to keep ourselves calm, warm. Okay, so here we will just learn that which are man-made fiber and which are natural fiber. Now these are made, these clothes, suppose your school shirt, this is making from cotton, and sweater is making from the wool. Here we will see that what is natural fiber and what is man-made fiber from this chapter. Now here you can see that we wear different types of clothes to protect ourselves from different weather condition. Already I told you that. Different types of clothes are made of from different materials. Clothes are made from fibers. There are two types of fibers: natural fibers and man-made fibers. Okay, now what is natural fibers? Natural fibers we get from the plants and animals are called natural fibers. Okay, plants and animals means cotton is made from the coppice tree. Hope that you have heard the name of the tree. Okay, and wools are normally made from the animal like sheep, goat, camel. Okay, now cotton and jute, these are the plant fiber. Okay, please remember it. Plant means gach. And silk is a silk. How the silk is just getting we can find this means how the silk are just getting produced. I will show you one small video so that you will be able to understand it very nicely. And sheep like sheep, goat, and rabbit and camel, these are from these we are just the uh, fiber, natural fiber, but these are the from some animals. Next is man-made fiber: synthetic, nylon, polyester, these are man-made fiber. Okay, these are not very much comfortable on our skin also. So how if we are going to use less, it will be more nice to you. Okay, so I am just stopping the screen share for a while. Just you read all the chapter, we all can just see. These are actually their saliva. Okay, ওদের লালাটা ওরা বের করছে এইভাবে. After that we will see what is going on. Okay, they are just making like this. And yes, like this way they are just doing a cocoon like structure around them. Okay, after a certain time it is looks like that. We can't able to see the silkworm. Okay, now how this is now what we are doing? Actually we are just taking those cocoons and just boil it in the water. Because why? The silkworm need to be die before to get extract that silk. After that, what is happening? After that, they are just producing the silk in this way. Just see. Okay, so like this way, just they are just getting making the silk threads. Okay, now the silk threads, we can just easily see that these are actually repeatedly showing you the same thing. The silk threads, what they are just getting from there. By that we can say that the piece of clothes are made. That is why silk is very expensive. If it is raw silk, this is very much expensive, because you can see that how much amount of uh, silkworm is needed to make a very little amount of silk threads. Okay, and this is the silk. Now cotton is actually cotton means cotton tree. That is actually like tulo. Okay, there and from that we are just there are some people who is just convert that in the thread, and after that, by that thread the clothes are getting made. Okay, and wools are also like that. The hairy part of the sheep, we are just extracting it out and we are just using that to make the wool thread, and with the wool thread after that the garments are made. Okay, any problem or any doubts are there up to this? Yes, Amina, any problem is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, Sifa, any question is there, please ask me.
Ma'am, you see that video, the Silk Road, with this will take in exam.
No, nothing. That just for you to know, means silk we all have heard the name, but how it is made you need to learn, you need to know that. Okay, see, everything will not come in the exam, but for the your common sense also you need to just learn so many things, right? Because
And
yes, Sifa, yes, Sifa.
ma'am, the first page 50 and 51 page, the lines are questions answered.
Question answers tomorrow we will solve. Okay, today's class time is almost over, tomorrow we will solve.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyone is else is having any question, please just lower your hand. Many of you turned off your videos, why? And Amar, you are having any question? Okay, no. Amar, anything happened to you? Why you are sitting like that?